Welcome back, children. So today we will discuss about development of sex organs. So far we discussed about the physical changes that takes place in puberty. Now we will deal with the secondary sexual characters and what actually the changes takes place in boys and girls at puberty. Okay, first development of sex organs. In this, what happens in boys, the testis and penis develop completely and testis begin to produce sperm. This is in boys. And girls, what happens? The ovaries enlarge and eggs begin to mature. And also ovaries starts releasing mature eggs. So these are all we will discuss. What is the cycle and other things. At this puberty, not only the reproductive organs and physical growth, a lot of other changes also takes place. That's why this age is called a transitional stage between childhood and adulthood. So what happens? Mental maturity, intellectual maturity and emotional maturity. All these things takes place. What do you mean by mental maturity? It is a time in one's life when the brain has the greatest capacity of learning and thinking. So this is called a mental maturity. That's why more and more you have to expose yourself to good books, good friendship and good things. Then intellectual maturity. The change in a person's way of thinking. The person feels more independent than before and also become self-conscious. So this is what in your way of thinking also will change. This means that what is right, what is wrong, what is my family background, is it good to me, is it good for my family, will my father accept, will my mother accept if I do like this. So all these things you will start thinking, and which is not accepted by the family, by the society, you will stop doing it, and which is accepted by the society you will be doing it and adopting it. This is what we call it as intellectual maturity. This is most important point everyone will develop at this age. So when this will start, when this will develop, if you are exposing yourself, when you are thinking about yourself, that good books, like good company, then you will have all these things. Then emotional maturity. What is the meaning of emotional maturity? A person may feel insecure while trying to adjust to the change in the body and mind. So lot of changes takes place, like girls menstrual cycle starts, and boys lot of mustaches and a beard, these changes and body changes, all these things takes place. So you have to adjust yourself to the changing situations and changing body conditions. So when you adjust to that, and hormonal changes also will be there, all these things if you adjust, then you will lead a better life in the future. Secondary sexual characters. Having reproductive organs like testes for boys and ovaries for girls is primary sexual characters. Then what is the meaning of secondary sexual characters? So becoming like a boy and becoming like a girl is called development of these. All these characters are called secondary sexual characters. Like the what will happen in boys, the hair began to grow. In which places? Facial hair. It's nothing but mustache and beard. So for boys, development of mustache and beard. Then the hair also grow on the chest, under the arms and above the thighs, or in the pubic region. Pubic region is the place where the reproductive organs are present. Next, in girls what happens? The breast began to develop, the hair began to grow under the arms and the region above the thighs or in the pubic region. Okay. The changes that occur at adolescence are controlled by chemical substances called hormones. So these hormones are produced by endocrine glands. We will deal this topic in the next lesson. Next topic. Next, the hormones are chemical substances, okay, which produced and secreted by the endocrine glands. Hormonal balance in adolescence shifts strongly towards an adult state. This is triggered by pituitary gland. So pituitary gland secretes hormones, set of hormones. Because of these hormones, the testes and ovaries will be activated and start producing hormones of their particular sex. Like male will have testis will produce testosterone, a hormone by the male, and female will have two hormones, estrogen and progesterone. So both will be secreted. Because of these secretions, the different changes, secondary sexual characters, what we discussed in the previous slide, all these things takes place. So extra what happens in girls, the ovaries begin to produce the female hormone or estrogen, which makes breast to develop milk secretion glands or mammary glands develop inside the breast. Then the production of all these hormones is under the control of another hormone in endocrine gland called pituitary gland. There are many endocrine glands or ductless glands in the body. Now the testes and ovaries, as we discussed in the previous slide, that testes produce testosterone and ovaries produce two hormones, that is estrogen and progesterone. All these three hormones will make the body to develop. Boys will grow into a gentleman and girls will grow like a women. So now testes and ovaries, they have another nickname called gonads, G-O-N-A-D-S, gonads. So these gonads will produce hormones. These hormones are called sex hormones. So the sex hormones are under the control of hormones from the pituitary gland. So pituitary gland secrete many hormones, one of which makes ova to mature in the ovaries and sperm to form in the testes. Okay. This slide shows the overview of what happens actually at the puberty. The pituitary gland release set of hormones. In that, these hormones will act on the testes and ovaries and start producing the male and female sex hormones. That is what we discussed in the previous chapters. Okay, once you go through this slide. Thank you, children, and go through all these PPTs and be ready for virtual class. Thank you.